Hey, I'm Vaughn with TBTB Next Game, and this is my 2011 Stolen Rat bike check. So first, we're going to start off with my headset, integrated, and it's a Stolen Convict stem. My handlebars are big boys, 8.25 rise, red UDP grips, UDP Barnes, screw runs. For the front rim, I have a Stolen Revolt Odyssey tire on that. My cranks are stock tubular cranks with clear Odyssey twisted pedals. This is called a money sprocket, if I'm not wrong, I think. And I have a stock painted chain with a Alienation back rim, Odyssey tire on there, Mission cassette hub, and I have a Boss Pivotal seat post with a Stolen Pivotal. And well, that would be the entire bike.